Hey, I'm Jason with A-Frame Building Consultants, and what you're looking at is a sump pump system. To the left is a battery backup. Here is the cover to the crock pit. Inside the crock pit is the actual sump pump mechanism. This pipe is a vent pipe for the crock pit. This is a radon mitigation vent pipe, and this here is a sump pump drain pipe. As we go up, we see the builder has labeled this radon sump pump. All right. Now, this is a check valve. This check valve prevents the discharged water from backflowing back into the crock pit and the sump pump from continuously recycling itself. You have to have a check valve on your drain pipe. Quite often, people believe that because they replace the sump pump, that stops water intrusion into your home. That is not true. For your protection, get an inspection. I'm Jason, signing out.